What will win in a drag race between a brand new Porsche 911 Carrera T, which has been seriously tuned, absolute monster, or a 991 generation GT2 RS, the bad boy?
Oh my God.
Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. That actually has more power than that. But what'll happen? Well, I'm going to be racing my old chum here, Yanni Shaolambas.
I'm back, baby.
He's back. Where are you going?
But I'll still be back.
Okay, so he's going to Cyprus. This is one of our last races, so it's a bit sad. And anyway, I'm Matt Watson, this is Yanni, and you're watching Carwow.
See you later.
A standard Porsche 911 Carrera T has a 3-litre twin-turbo flat-six with 394 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. However, this car has upgraded turbos, intercoolers, intakes and a titanium exhaust. Now it produces 791 horsepower and 813 Nm. It drives the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car weighs in at 1,490 kilograms and costs from £115,000. But with all the options and upgrades, this car is worth about £160,000. The 991 GT2 RS has a 3.8-litre twin-turbo flat-six with 700 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This drives the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 1,470 kilograms and it cost £229,000 when it was new. Today, it's worth around £400,000. We're going to find out who's going to drive what car. Now, I'm not going to say which one I want yet. I'm not going to say.
I know which one I want.
Okay, I know which one I want as well.
Okay.
Flip the coin.
Go on then.
You call
Tails.
it. No, I dropped it. Tails?
Tails.
Heads! I want to drive that.
Okay, I wanted to drive that.
Okay, all right.
That looks lovely. And that's Yanamai's vinyl, by the way.
Yeah.
But,
Okay.
I win.
That's not why it's gone for that.
Come
That's
on!
the reason. So, Jan, tell me, why is it that you want to go for that car?
First of all, look at it. Look at the wheels. Look at the wing. This is the GT2 RS Wyzak. Oh my God, it's so nice. It's got a red steering wheel as well in here with the red and black. Great combo. Yours is, yeah, it's nice, but it's not this.
I actually made an error. So I know that I've got more power than you. I thought it was the auto. Got in its freaking manual. I want to do the toss again.
Is it really a manual?
I thought I was going to be on. You've got a blooming auto.
So this should be a foregone conclusion, but when you choose the car, there's always something behind it. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens right now.
What we need to do is familiarise ourselves with these cars. Let's do a run up and down, get a feel. Lag, all the power, blimey. Oh, it feels quick. Oh, it feels brutal.
Oh my God.
This gearbox, sweet as. If I don't just like spin the wheels like crazy off the line, maybe I could be in with a chance. Oh, the tune on this has turned it into an absolute monster. I can't believe it's the same engine. That didn't sound standard. I know it's got the Manti kit on it, but I didn't know it included an exhaust. Let's have a listen to your car. Now, I've got a tuned exhaust, right? And have a listen. Why don't you remove the soft limiter as part of the tune? Wait. That's full AK-47, that is.
Say hello to my little friend!
That's got a tuned exhaust. That's Tom's car from Wham Bam. Thanks, Tom. I want to say thanks to Brad at Driven Plus for lending us this. Let's do a rolling race first. Third gear, roll on over the half mile. Don't be in turbo lag zone in third. 3, 2, 1, go. Boost. Boosting. That's gone.
Oh, he's dropped.
Too much lag? Oh no, that's fast.
This car's insane. Wow.
This wasn't really spooling at that point. Were you right on power? Boom, gone.
This car, oh my God.
I want to drive it. I want to go in it. Why did I choose this?
It's unbelievable, it's so fast, but you're all over the road, but wow!
It's 1-0 to you.
It's 2-0 by the way, not 1-0.
Oh, you're talking about the sound check. Okay, let's do a brake test.
Normal service is resumed and the brake test, I see.
Yeah, I think your Cup 2's just bit really hard there. You got common ceramics, bigger brakes, excuses, excuses. Let's try something else. We're going to do a rolling race, 10 miles an hour, over the half mile. We're going to wait for the starter to start us, but we're going to roll into it. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Too much wheel spin as well. It's gone.
This car
That was even worse.
This is tuned up to its eyeballs, mate. I'm telling you now, if they told you it's standard, and I'm honest, this car is so tuned up, it's ridiculous.
Let's just do another race then, just to be sure, okay?
Hold on, guys. Umpire here. Johnny, I want to see if you're as fast as you say you are in the manual. So you guys need to swap cars.
Let me have a go, I want to try it.
Mate, I love this car, it's so nice.
Umpire for the win today.
Damn you, umpire.
Out.
Just so you know, yeah? Scary at about 160, 170 here. You're like this all over the road.
Let me just text Tom at Wambon. Tell me the truth, mate. Tell me the truth, right?
Tom, I've just driven it. That car is way, way too fast.
Tell us the truth. Is it standard or not? The exhaust does not sound standard. Let us know.
Hello, manual.
I'll tell you what, I 100% know this is tuned. And I'll tell you why. With this car, you have to do a trick to be able to rev it all the way up. And this, it just revs. Definitely tuned. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Blimey. Madness. What is that noise? There's something wrong with this. There's something wrong with this car. Like, seriously wrong with it.
As in, seriously fast wrong with it.
No, like something's about to come loose. I'm not even going to drive it back down. It was all over the place, and it was going to make a noise.
Right, so the is the roll cage. And I know it is all over the road. I said that it's all over the road. Quite scary. Remember I said to you?
A 991 GT2 RS isn't like that at that speed, and that noise might be being transmitted through this roll cage, but it's not anything tapping the roll cage. Suspension is loose on this car.
How fast do you think it is though?
Very fast. Right, I'm going to crawl back.
Let's have a look.
Okay. It's like when you're going really fast, the whole car was like that. From the back end, it was all wrong. Obviously, I've been in lots of GT cars and I've heard clink roll cage, and it didn't sound like it was like cuck, cuck. Nothing.
It's just stiff.
It was like that. Did you get it doing that?
It's just stiff.
Yeah. So you had it like oscillating really weirdly.
Yeah, it's not oscillating, it's just really stiff.
So Sam's basically saying grow a pair. Right, I'm pleased, Arm. Should win this. Here we go.
3, 2,
What?
Get back in your original car. My decision is final.
Oh no, I wish I'd heard that now.
Bye. Back in a proper car. Not that there's anything wrong with that car, just slow.
I should have picked it from the beginning. I should have picked it. Damn. My own choice, my own fault. Idiot. Maybe I'll get more traction. We'll find out.
3, 2, 1.
Matt messed with my things.
Gonna have him? No, freaking wait, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You changed all my settings, so the car didn't change gear. I mean, like, you messed all my settings up.
I didn't miss your settings, you I left it in exactly the same settings.
No, you never.
You lost.
We need to run it again because you changed all my settings.
I swear to God, I did not touch your settings.
Everything was off on my car. So in other words, there was no red lights on anywhere.
Why didn't you check it before?
I was messing around with it and then he went, so I was like, oh.
You lost, mate.
Keep it down, come on. You know it's best 2 out of 3. Run it again.
Oh no, this is a fight against me. Oh well. No excuses, Jan.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's ahead. Oh God, that's so fast.
And that's what time it is, baby!
Yeah. Okay. See what you're talking about.
And even the launch still wasn't great, but yeah.
I think justice was definitely served there.
Lovely justice, nice and warm for you, my friend.
Okay, do you know what? The umpire did say best 2 out of 3, so I've got one last chance. Maybe you'll fudge it and I could snatch victory. Let's find out.
Sam, how are you setting this up?
So I take it out of sport suspension. Was it bogging or not bogging?
It revs first and then just drops me straight off.
So go to ESC off then.
Believe this
manual,
one.
You're not in first.
I'm in manual, look, it's there.
Yeah, but you for launch control, put it in D.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it won't shift up properly.
Come on, Yanni, what are you doing?
I'm getting some tips from racing driver Sam because it doesn't launch right.
That's all I need. All right, and Yanni, this is it, the decider. Hopefully you can fluff it and I can just kind of snatch a victory.
I'm nervous because Sam has like sort of changed a few things, so I don't know whether to go with what Sam did or do what I did because what to do? I'm gonna listen to racing driver Sam.
Yeah, I think you've got enough power, but imagine if it cocks it up and you lose as a result. The benefit of that is though, Yanni, if you do lose because of that, you can blame Sam, which is almost as sweet as winning.
Exactly that. There you go. Perfect.
What's going to happen? Will Sam be right or wrong?
3, 2, 1.
He was wrong. Come on. So, your verdict on Sam's advice. From where I was sitting, it seemed the same.
It was exactly the same, but my summary is this car's amazing. I didn't realise these cars were so good. What a car.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the GT2 RS won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The tuned Carrera T took 11.8 seconds. I have just had a message back from Tom. We didn't have a stock exhaust. It's got a Capristio decat and remap on the ECU and PDK to stop engine management lights, but apparently it's had no power upgrade otherwise. And they said it's got about 750 with the decat, extra 50 horsepower. And it feels like it has, doesn't it?
Feels like it's got an extra 500 horsepower. But yeah, that makes sense now. It's definitely not standard.
There we go. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, then click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag race, just click on the CarWow logo to check out the CarWow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.